Today we are installing and reviewing performance caliper cover for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y from Evannex. Thanks for tuning in on today's episode of my Tesla series. Today we are reviewing the performance calipers from Evannex. This should fit for your Tesla Model 3. They also have a product for Tesla Model Y. I'm going to tell you what I like about this product, what I don't like about this product, and then towards the end of the video I'm going to show you detailed step-by-step installation guide. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, my name is Shiva Sapkota. I'm an engineer out here in Colorado, USA. I make mainly Tesla videos covering wide range of Tesla topics, but mostly detailed installation and reviews of various Tesla products. Unlike my traditional videos where I first do the installation and then tell you everything that you need to know about the product, I'm going to tell you that now, that I'm going to tell you what I like and don't like. So let's start with what I like about this product. First of all, comes from a very reputable company, got here pretty quickly, comes in a really nice packaging. They include all the tools that you need. They have really nice installation instructions. They have installation videos. So kudos to Evannex for doing everything possible to make this installation as easy as possible. The packaging and everything just feels and looks premium. The installation was fairly straightforward. You just have to remove the wheel, install these caliper covers, and they're plug and play. You just slide it in and you just tighten the screws and you're good to go. There's not much to this installation and they look really good. They look like performance covers. You know, they are kind of red that goes with the contrast of my car, and I really like it. The website claims that it helps with heat dissipation. I don't know, I haven't personally tested that, but it makes sense why it would help. They also say that this performance caliper covers help with brake dust, which you can see if you remove your wheel and then check underneath. There's a lot of dust that have built up over time. So I can see how this caliper covers kind of holding on to the dust, or at least, putting it on one side, not all over your wheel. But I have yet to test that over the long term. I've only had these caliper covers for a very short time, and so far I'm very satisfied with how they look and how they perform. This is definitely not for everyone though. Some of you are probably watching right now thinking this is pretty tacky, but then there are rest of you that are thinking that this is really cool, that you would like to install this on your Tesla Model 3. The only thing I do not like about these caliper covers is that it does not have any Tesla logo in it. I wish they had painted the, spelled out Tesla in it, like some of the other caliper covers that I have seen. That would have just taken this product to the entire next level. Looking at it, I would have seen, that Tesla spelled out right there, like how the original calipers have, but then they are kind of a gray stainless steel. These are red. So I really like that it's red, but then I wish it had at least a Tesla logo or that white Tesla emblem in it. Having said that, you can purchase this vinyl decal stickers directly from Amazon, and these are made for high temperature calipers. So you can purchase those very inexpensive stickers and basically put those on your brake calipers and have that Tesla logo in your brake calipers if you would prefer. Let's get started with the installation guide. I hope you like today's video, and by the end of the video, if you enjoyed the video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and please come back again for another video in my channel. I really appreciate your continued support. Let's get on with the installation guide. Here are a couple of tools you'll need for this installation. First, you will need a low profile floor jack. Tesla Model 3 is extremely low, so a regular jack might not be suitable. I'm using a 3-ton floor jack, but a 2-ton should do the job. Next, you will need a Carjack adapter puck. This puck goes into the jack lifting area underneath your Tesla Model 3. It is very important to use this puck every time you lift your car to not damage any other parts, especially the battery. You can use a standard lug wrench or an impact drill. Finally, I would recommend a torque wrench so you don't over-tighten the nut. You can get a socket size 13 by 16 inch for your torque wrench. First, put the parking brakes on to be extra safe. Use the lug wrench to slightly loosen the nuts, but don't remove them yet. Now position your jack and insert the jack adapter in place and make sure it sits on top of the jack. Ensure it is secured in place. You can lift the car just enough to be able to remove the wheels. Remove the nuts and take out the wheel. The kit comes in a pair of 4 covers, one for each brakes. You can match the caliper covers based on the side, and the cap needs to face up. The front covers are larger than the rear covers. First, insert the bottom clip in between the disc and the brakes and slide up the top one in place. You can also loosen the top bolts if you are having a hard time fitting it in place. Make sure everything is seated properly. The cap is facing off and is now secure. Now take the hex wrench and Allen wrench that came with the kit and start tightening the top bolt. Make sure to tighten it fully such that the 2 plates on top are flushed with each other. Give it a quick tug and make sure nothing is loose. Now you can put the wheel back on. Hand tighten the nuts and spin the wheel to make sure it is rotating freely and does not scrape on the caliper covers. Lower the car and use the torque wrench to tighten the nuts. The spec on my car says 129 foot-pound of torque. You can follow the exact same process for the back. First, lift the car using the adapter, remove the wheel, and install the caliper covers. Start with the bottom side and clip the top one in place. Make sure everything is flushed and not touching the disc. You can then tighten the nut using the tools provided. Again, make sure the 2 top plates are flush together. You can now follow the same procedure on the other side for the 2 wheels. Hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful.